Welcome to Records and Information Management How-To. Today's topic, Records and Administrative Data Management Plans. Your office generates, receives, and stores a lot of information in support of the various functions of your unit. You know your processes. You know where to find what you need. But what happens when you leave? That's where a Records and Administrative Data Management Plan, or RADMAN plan, comes in. The RADMAN plan is a simple document designed to make it easy for anyone to know where to keep or how to find the information they need to get their work done. It can also help your unit stay on top of routine records disposal and if and when to transfer some materials to the university archives. Let's talk about what is needed for a RADMAN plan. First, make a list of the kinds of records and other administrative data your office generates and/or receives and describe their primary functions. Include specific titles for each record and group them into general categories based on their primary functions. You can use the retention schedules on the RIMS website to help identify some record groups. Some of the information your unit generates or receives may be considered drafts, duplicates, or otherwise non-records, but may still be something you want to retain for a specific period of time. This task can take some time. Be patient. Remember that RIMS is available to help you with this part of the process if you are having trouble getting started. The next step is to note where these records and other administrative data are stored regardless of format, as well as who has access to them. An easy way to do this is to put the categories into a table. Include information about records that need to be disposed of or should be considered for transferring to the archives after a specific period of time. The third step is to identify someone in your unit as your records liaison. If you have someone who is primarily responsible for managing your documents or requests for records disposal, we consider them your records liaison. Their contact information should be included in the RADMAN plan. We can set up training for this person and make sure that we communicate with them on behalf of your unit. For the RADMAN plan to be most useful, it should be updated when information changes. We recommend reviewing the plan at least once per year. These are the basics of a RADMAN plan that can help you manage your records and other information assets. The RIMS website has a guide, as well as a RADMAN plan template that can help you make your own. And as always, check out our website for other helpful videos.